Hey guys, in today's bonus video, I have for you the Truewants Need It bag. I am dying to see what is in this mystery lifestyle bag. If you're as curious as I am, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and I normally don't look this terrible, but I just got the package in from Truewants, and I am dying to see what's inside. So I threw some little fun buns in, put some hoops in, and I thought, you know what? We're going to go ahead and open up this package and see what's inside. So Truewants has their own YouTube channel, and forgive me, I have never watched her channel yet. I did subscribe, but I haven't made my way over there yet, but Jean Louise is the one who told me that she was doing her own bag, and I love supporting fellow YouTubers in any way that I can. Of course, watching their content, liking their content, and commenting is a great way to do that. I will definitely make my way over to Truewants' channel, and if you haven't made your way over, I will link it in the description box below. But this is a bag that she came out with, and I'm just dying to see what's inside. So without further ado, why don't we go ahead and open up this bag and see what they sent to me. Okay guys, so here's my bag. Now I know that I paid $18.99 for the bag, but I do not remember if that included shipping or if the shipping was extra. I will definitely let you guys know either way, whether I had to pay for shipping or if $18.99 was the total that I paid. I cannot remember. So without further ado, let's pop into this bag and see what's inside. Alrighty, woo! Okay, so I'm not really sure. I'm just going to kind of dump it, I guess, because I don't, we're just going to dump it out here. Make sure I got everything out, and I did, because it looks like there's some things wrapped in what I believe is a beautiful scarf. Wow. So we'll go ahead and start with this, guys. Look! Woo! Look at this. Okay, guys, so I am not a scarf wearing person. I have to pick it up. So, I'll be back. Okay guys, sorry about that. I am a total train wreck, and I promise those of you who are new, my videos normally aren't this terrible, but you know, I guess I'm just really excited to get into this bag. Okay, so I took it out of the packaging. Wow, look at this awesome scarf. I think there's a string on it. We'll rip that off there. Okay, so this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it feels like really nice quality. I actually quite love the print. Look at how big it is. Wow, it keeps getting bigger and bigger. Okay, here we go. Wow, this is a nice big scarf. So guys, I don't wear scarves. That's just really not my thing. So I love this material. I love this fabric though. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it into something else that I will wear. I love this print. This is so cute. So yeah, I'm definitely going to get use out of this, but I just don't wear scarves. That's just not my thing. So this is awesome. Loving it so far. Okay, so there's some other things that were inside the scarf. We're going to start with this right here. She's got everything in little baggies. So awesome. I love to see fellow YouTubers succeed in whatever it is they want to do. Okay, so her YouTube channel is called Truewants, and as I said, I will link it in the description box below. So she has a little card here that she included with this. So we have some neutral nail polish. It says Deborah Lipman. It's very neutral. I don't wear neutral nail polishes. Ooh, that looks like a good one. So I will definitely give this to one of my nieces because they do. Neutral nail polishes isn't my thing. My nails are a train wreck right now because I was experimenting with really cheap nails, and clearly it went terrible. But nonetheless, that's neither here nor there. This is a great thing to have in here. I wish the color was more bold, but it's awesome. I'm definitely going to be able to gift it to somebody, so that's another good thing. Okay, let's see what else is in this little bag here. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to pop this open. See what's in here. This is just a drop. One drop before you go eliminates odors every time. Oh, you know what? I saw this on like YouTube, or not YouTube. This is YouTube. I saw it on Shark Tank. So what you do is you put a drop of this into the toilet before you go to the bathroom. And then after you're done doing, you know, the stuff that stinks, it will make it so that it doesn't smell so bad. That's what this is for. So fun. I've never gotten anything like this in one of my subscription boxes before. So So this is a cool thing to stick in there and definitely unusual. So this is just another card for Improving Lifestyles. That is the website where you can pick up this bag. I don't know if there's any more left, but I would definitely link the website in the description box below should any of you be interested in getting this bag. So there's another awesome thing that they put in here. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, it's in this nice bag here. Awesome. She put her business card and everything. I need to get better about doing that because I actually was in a collab where I just sent some stuff to somebody and I forgot to include my business card. Awesome. I make a great businesswoman, don't I? Okay, so what do we have here? It's a little something. Open this up and see what's inside. Ooh, I feel something in there. So it's a nice little like wallet thingamabobber. I guess it, oh, yeah. Oh, so it's like, okay, so it looks like a little change purse. So it looks like something that you, obviously, you would have your keys on here. I would probably hook this onto my, my purse or something because I just would find that that would be a lot easier. But yeah, this is cute. So it's like a little coin purse, I guess, is what you would say. So there you go. That's the last thing in there. Feels like good quality. Super cute. Okay, so I believe that was the last thing in my little bag here. So fun. So if you guys have not checked out Truewants channel, make sure you jump over there and check it out. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my own advice. Jean Louise absolutely loves her and said that she's very knowledgeable. So if there are, you know, beauty products and things like that that you're curious about, it's a good chance that she may have gone over those on her channel. So make sure you go ahead and check her out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Sorry, I'm such a train wreck and I'm such a mess, but I was just dying to see what was inside that bag because I saw that other YouTubers loaded their videos. So I did not want to watch theirs until I saw what I got in my bag so I can have an authentic reaction. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Got lots of fun DIYs coming up, some more giveaways, and all kinds of other things going on this channel, and I don't want you to miss any of the super fun stuff I have coming up, so make sure you're subscribed and you've clicked that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's the name of her channel? Hold on. I paid $18.99 for this bag. I cannot remember if I had any additional charges like for shipping and all that fun stuff or if it was just $18.99. How's shipping fun? There's no fun with shipping. Try that again. Now I paid $18.99 for this bag and I cannot remember if that included the shipping or if the shipping was an additional charge. If it was an additional charge, I will definitely let you guys know. Either way, yeah, really either way, I have to let you know. Try it again. Okay guys, so here's my, again.